Hey y'all, so this is my skin before using the rejuvenation cream. Please don't come for me. I know it looks a little crazy. Just wanted to show the different angles and how it looks in the light. Hey Cali gang, what it do? And as you can tell from the title, I got a Lancôme Rejuvenate. Basically, it's a rejuvenation cream for nighttime. Basically, yeah, I'll read the box in the voiceover that I'm gonna do, but I've seen a big improvement in my skin. I'll show you footage right here of how it looks in the jar. She's thick, and look at that. She's thick and we like that. So I just washed my face. I did my serums and toners, so I'm going to put my night cream on for the night. I literally feel the hydration when I put this on. Like I'll show you right now. You can literally see that. You could see the hydration, and I love that. Sorry if you hear my mom singing in the background, but that's okay. She could sing in the background if she wants. But yeah, OMG, look at that. Look at that. I feel it's really like refreshing feeling. The scent it is, I'm getting like citrusy a little bit. But okay, so I put it on for the night, and then I will come back tomorrow morning right before I wash my face, just so you could see how it will most likely still look like this. But yeah, this retails I think for like $100 or something. I'm not really sure. I'm gonna look it up and then put it right here. So don't quote me on what I just said. I'm gonna put the price and stuff right here. But yeah, they don't sell mini jars. They don't sell smaller jars. It's just this big jar, which is 1.7 fluid ounces. So yeah. Anyway, I'll be back in the morning. Bye, guys. All right, hey, y'all. So don't come for me. I'm gonna look a little bit crazy. So I'm on my way about to be on my way to the store. And I just wanted to do a check-in and show you guys how good my skin looks. I haven't washed my face yet from last night, just a FYI. But yeah. So see, my skin looks hella bright. It's really moisturized. It doesn't feel dry, which is nice. My mouth will be a little bit dry because I just brushed my teeth. But yeah, I can't wait to get into this review. So I'll be back. Hey Cali gang, so this is the last clip I'm gonna do for this review on this product. It's the Lancôme Génifique, Lancôme Advanced Génifique Night Repair Cream. Smells so good, so refreshing. It's nice and thick. Look at that. Nice and thick. I can see a difference in my skin already, and I've been using it for a few weeks. No, I haven't been using it every day or every night like you're supposed to, but that's okay. Oh, it feels so good, you guys. Oh my god. Ooh. But I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I know it's not gonna be very long, but you know what? Short, sweet, to the point, you know? I love this product. It works great. I saw oh, sorry. I saw a change literally overnight with my skin. So let's read on the repair cream. Pollution, modern life, stress, and other daily aggressions may disrupt the skin barrier, causing discomfort, dryness, appearance of redness, and premature signs of aging may appear over time. Our repairing cream is enriched with a unique, what is this? Bifidus, Bifidus, and yeast prebiotics complex together with barrier strengthening cinamides that work while you sleep to help repair the skin barrier. In the morning, wake up with skin with reduced look of dryness and imperfections. Facts, I did see that. Night after night, our cream acts as a visible acts on the visible signs of aging, helps restore skin's youthful appearance, Helps with fine lines and wrinkles. Helps skin seem smoother, firmer, and more radiant. Oh, yes, it does. It does all of that. But yeah, it retails for $95, and I would definitely buy it again. Definitely worth it. But yeah, look at that glow. Oh, it's gorgeous. I just wish I had my face roller so I could, you know, roll it in. But yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, you guys. And the benefits of this product, it's new, it's expensive, it was nice to try. I felt a little exclusive, you know, trying it. Shout out to bzzagent, thank you guys. I would definitely purchase this. I'm saving up now to purchase this, and then another vitamin C serum that I want. I think it's like 65 bucks. I have a review for that serum. I'll put that down below, so you guys can check that out. I got that from bzzagent as well. But yeah, I would definitely recommend it to everybody. It's good for all skin types. I didn't have a reaction to it, which is great because I have sensitive skin. It's acne prone and combo, so you know how that goes. But thanks for tuning in, Cali Gang. We up in this thing. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you're notified as to when I post. I do my best to post every 1 to 3 days. If I don't post by the 3rd day, then I definitely post by the 4th day. Stay safe and blessed, Cali Gang. Mwah. We up in this thing. Bye.